Okay, Cambria, you're opening one from Nana and Bumpa, huh? Is that for Nana and Bumpa? Uh-huh.
Ooh, wow! Tub toys. You can cook in the bathtub.
You can cook? Oh, it is a cook set. Cute.
Oh!
Look, I got all kinds of bath stuff.
What do you think? Is that neat?
Mm-hmm.
Look at me.
Look at Daddy.
Hold it up.
Whoa!
No, over here. Hey, look at me.
Look at Daddy.
Cambria. Say thanks, Nana and Bumpa.
Thanks, Nana and Bumpa.
I love you.
I love you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry